Luciano has gone hard on Stonebwoy. In an interview, the Jamaican music legend said most young African artists try to imitate them, and for someone like Stonebwoy, only God knows what he sings about when he sings in patois. Drop your comments.
The continent, is there a difference?
Well, one thing I do know, I don't hear these artists when them say big out here, them a big so down there. I don't hear them name called. What them do in Africa now, these young artists now, them emulating what is going on here in Jamaica. So instead of them have artists with them called, for example in Ghana now, them call himself Stonebwoy. Oh, the God know him I sing about.
Yeah.
So we could think.
If you don't get it, forget about it.